Hi kids, my name is Dean, and today I'm going to show you how to create a craft project in your kitchen with basic household items. Today we're going to create an Etch-a-Sketch. So I'm going to show you the basic ingredients we will need to complete this task. A sandwich Ziploc bag, some flour, food coloring, and some water. Let's begin. For sake of time constraints, I've already pre-mixed some flour, food coloring, and water into this bowl and mixed them all together to make this nice goo. We're going to place our solution into the Ziploc bag. I'm going to grab a bigger spoon. I'm back. So let's see how messy this will be. It's always fun to be a little messy. It's like slime. Yeah. Get in there. Here we go. Alright. Let's see if that's enough. I think that's enough. Alright, let's lock it up. Push out all the air. So we have a nice flat surface of our goo in the bag. Alright, now I'm locking her up. Let's see. Clean off the edges there. We're going to make sure all of the pink solution is inside the bag, everywhere, in every corner. I think we got it. Looks good to me. So now we're ready for our Etch-a-Sketch. Now you can draw pictures in your solution, in your bag. So let's see. Let's see if we can make a happy face. There's an eye, and a smile. It went away so quickly. There it is. Alright, we want to erase it. Let's erase it. How about something else? Let's try a sad face. And then it erases. So this could be hours of fun with basic household ingredients to make you a picture or an Etch-a-Sketch that you can keep erasing and creating. Have a good day.